How to use Google Docs offline. First of all, open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in docs.google.com. Press enter. Once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Google Docs. If you want to use it offline, you'll have to access the settings. Click on the three lines that you can see right over here on your screen. You can access the main menu. Click on the option Settings. Once you do that, you'll be able to find this section for offline. Toggle on the button right next to the option for offline. If prompted, you'll have to install the extension. Simply install the Google Docs offline extension if prompted. Confirm the installation. I had already installed it earlier. Now click on the option OK that you can see on the screen. After you do that, you'll be able to create, open and edit your recent Google Docs offline. Like this, you'll be able to use Google Docs offline. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.